Wagwan J Squad, it's your boy Jay and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be doing something special for you guys. For all those adults, we are doing a video especially for you. Today we're going to be making Jamaican style rum punch. We're going to be using special ingredients. We're going to be using mangoes, we're going to be using pineapple. I'm also going to add a little American apple in it just for the fun of it. And also we're going to spice it up with our ginger. So guys, if you're really interested in this video, just meet me on the other side. Let's go! So rum punch in our Jamaican culture is not just another cocktail. We pride ourselves in having rum punch as one of the staples that can be found in any form of setting where Jamaicans get together and have a wonderful time. Rum punch is not for children, by the way, because it is heavily concentrated with rum, as the name suggests, and also it is not for the faint of heart. So if you are not able to consume alcohol on a certain level, I would suggest that you stay away from rum punch. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna give you guys a rundown of the ingredients that we're gonna be using today. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at using some pineapple, we're gonna be using mangoes, we're gonna be using our traditional lime, you know how that goes. We're gonna add some ginger as well for texture, you know how that goes, that's gonna give you a bite, right guys? But yeah, just for sense of humor, I'm gonna also add an American apple. It serves no other purpose but just for sense of humor. But guys, meet me on the other side as I said before. Let's go. Let's put this together. So we're going to be using 4 limes. Squeeze all the juice out of our lime. Some people, they'll use a measuring cup and they'll say that you might use 1 cup of lime juice. But we are going the original way. We're just going to go ahead and squeeze out some lime juice, put it together, and it to fall in love. Guys, another thing, some people might use more lime. You can use more lime if you want to have that kick as well, but for this video we're only going to be using 4. So as to get out as much juice as you can, guys, I'm going to teach you a little trick. Just press your hand on the lime and just roll the lime. Just press on the lime and roll the lime so that all the juice can come up. When you're satisfied, you can go ahead and slice. So now that our limes are cut, we're just gonna go ahead now and squeeze out our lime juice into a cup or a container. Yeah guys, so you also have to make sure that you have some nice fruit punch syrup as well. It also gives it a nice flavor. Some people might choose to use strawberry, but for this video we're gonna be using some fruit punch syrup. Also guys, the rum punch would not be complete if we didn't have our good old fashioned rum. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead now guys and peel the pineapple so that we can get it prepped for blending. So there you have it guys, the pineapple peeled and sliced. So we're now going to just add this to the blender so that we can blend it up and get some nice pineapple juice from it. Alright guys, so we're also gonna go ahead and just slice the apples. Cut it in portions as well. So yeah guys, our next move now is to add the portions of mango to the mix as well. Trust me guys, this promises to have a wonderful flavor. Yes mommy, I know, you always say I shouldn't play with my food. But what better way to just get it exciting? Have some fun while you're actually doing stuff in the kitchen. Now that we have all the fruits and so on guys, we're just gonna add that to the blender and give it a nice mix. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and just add some water to the blender. Not too much, we're just gonna bring up the water to about 500 milliliters or so. Okay guys, So now that we have all of our fruits together in the blender, we're just gonna go ahead now and give it a blend. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at the consistency. Look at how beautiful that looks. As we're gonna just pour the contents from the blender into the strainer and down into the container. See how thick that is, guys? We're straining that off so we can get to the juice itself. Alright, squad, so we're just gonna go ahead now and add our lime juice to the mix. So some people would use sugar, but at this point, because we know syrup is extremely sweet, we're just gonna use the syrup for this video's purpose. So we mix that now, guys, and the color starts taking effect. So the yellow now turns into a bright mixture of orange. Wonderful taste, guys, wonderful taste. You can already taste the popping of the mango in your mouth. You can taste the pineapple as well. You can taste the rich ginger, and you can also taste the lime, the citrusy taste. It's a wonderful blend, guys. So yeah, guys, now that everything is nicely put together and it has the color and texture that we want it to have, we're just gonna go ahead now and add the rum. So some people can manage a strong intake of alcohol, as I had said before in the introduction, and some people are not so adept at taking too much alcohol. 1, 2, and 3 for good measure. Don't tell her that's 4. Now that our rum is in the mix, we give it a nice little stir. So guys, the only thing that is left to do after this is to serve with ice, and it should be a refreshing drink for you. Remember, guys, if you like this video, remember to smash the subscription button. Also, you hit the like button and also turn on all bell notifications so that you'll never miss another video like this. Yeah man, so there you have it, guys, Jamaican style rum punch. We're happy that you made it this far in the video. So as a big thank you, we just want to salute each and every one of you for always supporting the J Says family. And we look forward to catching you on the next one. But until next time, J Says, and we are out of here.